Alright guys, so here we are with the Lumberjack camper trailer / hybrid caravan. Let's have a look how easy it is to hitch up to your vehicle. Alright, so now that we've reversed up to the polyblock hitch, we need to put our pin through to join it to the vehicle. Locking that underneath with your R-clip. The next thing is secure the trailer lights. So plugging that in with your round or flat socket into the back of your vehicle, making sure that that's a nice tight fit. If your trailer is fitted with a breakaway unit, that needs to be fitted to the tow bar as well. So giving it a quick pull, you'll pull the pin out, wrap this around the main body of the tow bar underneath the vehicle, and just insert that back through its hole, and then plugging this back in, keeping that out of the way. Next, we've got the safety chains, the rated safety chains fitted to the front. So attach them underneath, making sure that they're done up nice and tight. And if fitted to your vehicle, you will want to plug in your Anderson plug to charge your batteries as you're driving. Last thing is to lower the jockey wheel. Making sure that you take your handle so you don't lose that, and then spin this up out of the way. Go for a walk around your trailer, make sure that your stabiliser legs are raised, move the trailer forward a couple of metres, make sure everything's moving freely, and then you're right to hit the road.